Okay, so welcome into another series of a biology video. Last time we were dealing with the cell organization. Right? This time around we are looking at what cell specialization. So the key word here is specialization. Right? Meaning that to be specialized simply means performing a particular task. Right? For example, a teacher can only perform the job of teaching. Hey, a doctor is a doctor. A nurse. You can't give a nurse to repair a car unless that person has got mechanical background. Hey. So now in biology, we have got what we call cell specialization, meaning that each cell performs the particular function. Hey. So to start with, let us look at examples of specialized cells. Examples of specialized cells. The first one, we have got blood cells. Blood cells. So under the blood cells, we have got both white as well as red blood cells altogether. Then we can even talk about the gut cell. Then we can talk about the root hair cell. Root hair cells. Then we can even talk about the companion cells. The companion cells. So now, when we talk about the blood cell, it is divided into two categories. The first one we said white blood cell, and then red blood cell. So when we look at these cells in particular, we have got this cell which looks like this. Then we have got a cell which looks like this. So there is a difference between cell A and cell B. So we can identify them by looking at their structures. So when you look at this one, it has got this dotted inside. These are what you call hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Then this one has got what you call the robbed nucleus. Robbed nucleus. So even the function differs. So when you look at this one helps in transportation of what? Oxygen. Then this one helps in what? Fighting, as well as engulfing. Engulfing the bacteria. Okay, so this one helps in transportation of oxygen. This one helps in engulfing the bacteria as well as in the immunity strengthening. So after that, we are going to look at the second example, which is the what? The gut cell. It looks like this. This is the gut cell. This is the gut cell. So now this is what you call the what? The gut cells. So these gut cells, they help in regulating the stomata. So now these things they are found in leaves. So if you are asked to say where can you find a gut cell, the gut cells are found under the what? The leaves. So now we have got this spacing which is known as the what? The stoma. One simply means stoma. Singular, in English we say stoma, but if it is plural we say stomata. Stomata. So now after looking at this, we are going to look at another specialized cell. So we're talking about the what? The gut cell. Another specialized cell is what I will call the root-haired cell. You even here to say root-haired cells. So now, when you look at the structure of the root-haired cell looks like this. So it looks like this. Eh? So now, the main function of the root hair cell helps in what? Absorption of water and the mineral salts from the ground, from the soil. Because these ones, they are directly linked to the what? To the soil. Why? So now, after talking about this, we even know that this thing has got parts. So this part is what we call the what? The nucleus. The nucleus. And then we have got these two more things. These are what we call root hair. Root hairs. If it is in your nose, we call them the cilia, but here it's root hairs. Then this part where the after absorption has taken place, so they go in a space known as what? The vacuole. It's a vacuole. Then this part is what you call the what? The cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So, away from the root hair cell, let us look at another specialized cell. Let us look at another specialized cell, which is what we call nerve cell. Nerve cell. As we know, in the nervous system is a transporting of what? Electrical impulses. So this is how the nerve cell looks like. Sure, some of you have come across this kind of diagram. It has got these things. Then it has got this part. As you can see, so this is a nerve cell. So now let us label the parts of the nerve cell. So this part is what we call the what? The nucleus. The nucleus. And then this other part is what we call the what? The cell body. It's a cell body. Then these ones are what we call the what? The dendrites. Dendrites. Then we have got this part. As you can see, these things are what we call the axon. Axon. So now, this axon, it is this one. Then this other part is what we call the marine. The marine what? Shape. Coming? Marine shape. So now, in conclusion, this thing helps in terms of transporting the what? The electrical impulses. So now, electrical impulses, they can be in form of what? Pain. The first one you can say they're in form of pain. Another one you can say hotness, and then also coldness. So these are what we call electrical impulses. So these nerve cells, they are found everywhere on your skin. That's all for today. I'm sure I remember to watch the next video. Okay.